Whoa, look at that track.
Elizabeth was talking about Hell's Revenge, the trail that we're about to drive up.
This is terrifying.
You wanted to drive this?
And she had decided that she was going to drive all the way to Hell's Gate. Having watched Elizabeth have all of the fun, I wanted to have a go at driving, so we switched seats and I got to drive us back out.
So how'd you like it?
It was fun,
Yeah?
but let's never do it again.
Yeah? Really? I think you did great.
Thank you.
It's pretty steep. You ready for Colorado?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm ready for Engineer Pass.
Alright, so we're just going to drop out this final little bit on, what's this trail? Hell's Revenge. I am definitely going to hit the rear bumper here. I think. Okay, apparently I'm not. I thought I was going to. So we just finished Hell's Revenge. We're going to go into town and air up, and we're going to hit the highway to Colorado. And we're going to go somewhere cool that we're really hot and sweaty. Even with this, I got this on, soaked with water. Still really hot and sweaty, so I'm looking forward to getting into some cooler climates, in particular just the mountain passes.
And I said, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah.
If you watched my Expedition Utah video from last summer, or if you watched the series, you'll know that we came across what I described as the perfect campsite. And we're back there, up on Lost Dollar Pass, Lost Dollar Road, and there's a few reasons why I consider this to be the perfect campsite. One of them is, well, we're back in Colorado, so it's cool. We're actually about 10,500 feet in altitude, so it's a little chilly. I'm gonna have to put on a jacket in a second. Second reason is, you'll see behind me, we've got some firewood already chopped up for us. It was there when we got here. You have a fire pit, nice sheltered fire pit. You got a place to sit. You got a log on this side, got a tree on that side for you to sit on around the fire. Although I think there's a burn ban right now, so we won't be lighting a fire. But the reason I say that this is the best campsite that I've ever been to is just the view. Look at that view. And an added bonus is that there are no bugs here, so Elizabeth won't freak out. The next morning we drove north over the pass and then across to Ouray. After spending the morning in Ouray, Elizabeth insisted we take Mineral Creek up to Engineer Pass. Once again, she was driving. The road starts off following the creek through the canyon with incredibly steep drop-offs and some technical spots. As you climb, the trail gets easier and the scenery gets even better. We are the other side of Engineer Pass now, down at Lake City, or just outside of Lake City, and Elizabeth drove the whole pass. She's very proud of that, so I've got to make sure I tell you on video. She'll be looking out for it when she watches these if she watches these videos, which she probably won't. We are about to go onto pavement and drive quite a long way. We're going to head north to South Dakota now. We're at the bottom corner of Colorado, heading up to South Dakota, where we are going to meet up with Andreas. So lots of highway. Might show you a few clips along the way, but we'll see you in South Dakota. we are halfway between Laramie and Cheyenne in Wyoming, and we're in just next to Pole Mountain. You can see behind me, we met up with Andres. And yeah, I know I said that we were going to meet in South Dakota. We ended up meeting in Denver, and then driving up here. It was just a little more convenient for both of us. Otherwise, I'd have to backtrack quite a long way to meet in South Dakota. So we're going to explore Wyoming first, and then head up some of the other states around here, and we'll do South Dakota later, maybe on the way home. Just before he left, I ordered something off Amazon for Andreas to bring me.
Oh, nothing. Okay. Tell you what, this was most of the weight in this camper.
Sweet, I'm excited about that.
Actually, I haven't even opened it.
That's a lot larger than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go, man. Shower, jacuzzi, anything you need.
It was an instant shower tent. We decided to check it out.
It's not hard. I'll be super ready. This is like, I don't know. You have to take it. Oh yeah, this drops down. So you can call it. That's an odd shape. This is not shape. Like a, it's like, hold on. It's like this. A little more close to the edge.
Is it ready yet?
Is it ready yet? Yeah. Hop in. We got pictures. Hey, maybe we should wait for a windier campsite.
Yeah. It's like someone tried to put this together already.
Turned it?
And returned it, yeah.
Yeah, so somehow we have to get this to the other side.
We can push these legs in. Okay. That's more like it. That's a lot easier.
So it was inside out?
It was inside out, yeah. Alright.
Ooh, that's a little small for you, Rob.
Ta-da!
Alright. Instant.
More like a few instants.
Yeah.
It was our incompetence that made it so difficult. I'll show you more next episode. We packed it away and drove west towards Lander, Wyoming. I'd seen videos of a trail near Lander that takes you up to Christina Lake. We decided to check it out and try to camp at the lake.
So bad. So many.
I just got bathed in this. Alright. There's so many bugs. And the reason I got out is because we have a little obstacle up here. It looks pretty tough. So I'm gonna go walk it and see. We have been on this trail for hours now and it's getting tougher and tougher. And we're almost to the top, to the lake. And as you well know, if you've watched the other episodes, Elizabeth is not a fan of bugs. She's not happy about coming up here. Alright, doesn't look so bad now. Got the line here, so just come up the center and then come between these two rocks and then swing right to avoid that one. From the bottom, I couldn't see that. Couldn't see that you can swing right. So, this doesn't look so bad. Well, I'm gonna video from the GoPro so I don't have to get out again and let all those bugs in. Because Elizabeth's patience is wearing very thin. I don't think she's gonna forgive me for a while bringing her up here. Also hit my bumper pretty bad. I think I hit the rear bumper. I don't know what's going on here. Something's not right. My rear bumper is hanging off by the looks of things. Something's not right at all. Because that is supposed to go there. That's way off. Something's bent really bad.
Take a tree home.
Oh, wow. We hold the camera.
Sorry about the car.
That's okay.
It's not.
It happens. Yeah, your right tire's on that rock now that you were talking about. That's good. Yeah, look good. You can come my way a little. Oh, yeah, yeah.
The trail was slow going and was still about a mile from the lake. We chose to call it a night and set up camp in a clearing just past the obstacle.